Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Week 3 here at level 1 8 count.
Maddie, Peter.
So we just worked on promenades and stuff again. Remember promenades? And then we added this. Peck. Adding those in a la Frankie. Bop, bop. Check out Frankie sometime. He's a really interesting guy. You should know more about him. Then we did swing outs and circles. That was the new stuff today. You all did great. Here's what it looks like. We start from here. Rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Then rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. We could go again. Triple step, 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 triple step. Try and face your partner. Triple step, 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 triple step. We'll show it this way. 6, 7, 8, rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step, rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step, rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step, rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. And remember, your homework was just this. And move all over with it. Bonus points if you can clap on beat. And that's it.